So the top 10 performers of the 2018 Jamaica Festival Song Competition have started their month-long road show. You heard 3 of them earlier. We're going to be rolling them out as the show continues. And with me now is Jamaica Festival Song Committee Chairman Vernon Darby, and he's going to tell us all about what's been happening with the competition. Morning. Welcome to Smile Jamaica.
It's great to be here.
How are you? It's great to have the Festival Song finalists here. So talk to me, Vernon, first of all, about the selection process. I heard you had quite a few entries coming in this year.
History.
Yes.
We made history, 221.
Nice.
And I'm happy to tell you we had literally a foolproof system. We had 5 judges. We use average scores. Then we see how many judges select a particular song. Then we look at the highest scores. Then we had another team who came in and looked at the songs that were rejected to see, because our aim was not to miss a good song.
A good song. All right, it seems you captured 10 good ones. Tell me what's going to be happening leading up to Jamaica Festival. You have road shows?
Right, and we went to Montego Bay, they went to Mandeville.
Oh, so we started already?
Yes, ma'am. I'm going to Junction this weekend. Let me tell you something. I think for the first time, we have made history in many areas this year. And one of them is that we have probably the highest number of professionals. When it comes to the Festival Song Show, you see, it's a top-class show you're coming to see. Of course, you have Ashley to start off, and they start off with energy.
Oh, okay. So Ashley is a part of the road show.
Yes.
Nice, nice.
And we also have other guest artists who will be performing right across the country. But if you don't mind, I could tell you the songs.
Tell me who they are.
We have Strong Jamaica, written by Patrick Kitzel, as performed by Escarpment Road New Testament Church of God. Largest group to be a part of festival. Over 63. Of Jamaica Are We Home, O'Neill Scott wrote that one, and it will be performed by Nazelman. Then you have Hands on Your Heart, written by Carol Wisdom, M. Bennett, I should recognize that name, M. Bennett and G. Wright, and it will be performed by Jawiz. And we have The Type of Jamaica, Radcliffe Butler was the person who wrote that one, and it will be performed by Radcliffe John. Then we go down the list, we have Jamaica We Rich. Jamaica We Rich, performed is written by Victor Richards, and Jukebox.
Yes.
And I'm sure I should say jukebox or jukebox. Then I Love Jamaica, written by Sheena and Huon. And Roja is the man who is going to perform that one. Jamaica You're Nice, you know, written by Tennis Morrison. And that will be performed by Reggae Soul Child. Jamaica's Formula, written by Everton Pessoa. And that will be performed by Peso, spelled P-E-S-O. Then We Big All Around. Dennis McKay is a writer, and Mackie Conscious will be Mackie. Then the last one is Let's Do It Jamaica, written by Kurik Clark, and Kurik is a performer. Now, I say the writer and the performer. Sometimes the writer is also the performer, but they want to brand it as I am the writer, and I'm also so.
It's important. The writer should get their kudos.
And that's why we're making this year, you know. We have targeted good writers, and the writers really did a fantastic job.
Yeah, man. So I'm hearing some people who are also seasoned in. Pessoa is a former winner. Nazelman
all of them
was also a winner.
The seasoned performers. They perform in North Coast.
Yeah. And so they perform on the show. The road shows happen. How do we move from here?
Well, we have a road show in Junction this weekend. That's in St. Elizabeth. Then we move on to Oterius Square in St. Anne. That's June 16. Then, but did I say that the Injunction Square to be Saturday, June 9. Then Saturday, June 16 will be in Oterius Crescent. And then Friday, June 22 will be in Port Antonio Square. That's in Portland. And then on Friday, June 29, Monemar Square in Spanish Town. And the big show
talk to me. Me put our festival
July 15. It's going to be a Sunday.
Yes.
And it's going to be hot.
And where is it going to be?
Right now, we're at the Ronnie Williams Entertainment Center. But you never can tell. We might, you know, let me not say anymore.
You don't want to preempt it. Yeah, because, you know, usually, but it kicks off the festival, the Jamaica Festival activities, festival song.
It's a premier event.
Puts us in the mood that we need to be in. What are the prizes like for the participants this year?
Oh, it's over 10 million, but not one person getting the $10 million. I'm not going to go into details now, but each you have a prize for the performer, best performer, for the winning song, of course, and not just the person who sings the winning song, but the writer as well. But the writer also. And there are other prizes for the videos. And by the way, the videos are up. All persons need to do, just go to Facebook page, type in festival song, and you see
it has a dedicated page of festival song. But and also if they go to JCDC, they'll see it there as well.
JCDC.gov.jm.
Nice.
Right, you say everything.
So you can't miss it, people.
No,
If you can't make the
you're on
road shows,
Twitter,
it's
everything.
on social media. It should be played on the airwaves. Jamaica, you know, me and I cuss about this all the time.
I don't know. I
love Carnival.
You.
I love it. I love it. I love
Yes.
it. But I hear all the Carnival songs, and I think festival songs should get even more love.
But let me tell you
from
why.
our people. Yes.
This year we're doing it with a purpose. You know, there are very many things happening in Jamaica that, you know, we're not too happy about, the crime and so on.
Right.
We want to say to the people, and I'm sure Minister will support me on this one. She has given good support, that Minister Grange. And I want to thank all those on my committee, my Deputy Chair, Pat Reed, and all the committee members. This year, if you listen to the songs, you'll realize that the songs, they have a message.
Right.
A positive message. We want Jamaica to get up and love this country. Every other country have their things. You mentioned Carnival. We must have independence period where we celebrate our achievements, and our song is going to let us jump and dance and have fun this year. We're not make nobody stop at all this year. We're going to have fun.
And think about some important issues that we have here in Jamaica. Thank you for being with us. Vernon Darby, Chairman of the Jamaica Festival Song Committee. So look out, the festival songs are rolling into your community, and if you don't see them in your area, check them on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, JCDC page. You can find them. And that's Rocking Festival this year. I have to say happy birthday to Danae Campbell. She's 14 today, attends the Carteret College in Mandeville. Jasmine said I was to wish you a happy birthday. Next, we're going to be talking about highway construction. You know, that's been halted. Let's see if we can get it going again. Smile Jamaica continues after this.